Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the Extang ALX on this 2020 Ram 2500. All tools required for this install are included in the kit. We have a T27 Torx wrench, a T20 Torx wrench, and a 2.5mm Allen wrench. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now this is the way the cover comes out of the box. You'll see a couple of straps. Those are going to face towards the cab of the truck. What we're going to do is lift it up, sit on top of the bed caps, make sure it's centered side to side, and make sure the front edge sits over top of our bulkhead. Next, what we're going to do is unclip the buckles and fold it back to the tailgate and set the alignment. Okay, now to set the alignment of the cover at the back, we're going to make sure the tailgate is up. We're going to center it side to side, but also lift up the cover. We're going to see a 3-fin seal. 2 of those rear fins should be on top of the tailgate. That's how we know how to set the alignment front to back. So we're going to go ahead and move this forward a little bit. All right, now our alignment is set. The next step, we want to make sure we're doing this inside the bed so we don't shift anything around. We're going to very slowly and gently fold the cover towards the cab. And once it's in place here, we can go underneath and set the clamps. Okay, now here is our side clamp. You'll notice it has a jaw end on this side. What we're going to do is make sure that we are catching the side of the bed cap with that jaw, and then just start twisting it. What that's going to do is raise that jaw up and draw the cover down to the bed cap and compress the seals. All right, now we're going to go ahead and attach our tether clamp. This is just going to add some security. We're going to set that clamp right next to our main clamp, hold it together, and then tighten it down with a thumb screw. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. All right, now we're going to go ahead and fold the cover back to the tailgate. We'll notice we have our latch mechanism that's here. We need to attach our striker to our bed cap directly underneath that latch. So we're going to fold this down to the bed cap and then attach our striker where it attaches to the latch. Okay, now what we're going to do is take our larger Torx driver out of our kit and loosen up the bracket. And this is going to spread apart. We're going to put that underneath the bed cap and then raise up our strike where it attaches to our latch. All right, once we have the strike set in place, we're going to go ahead and tighten it down. We're going to repeat the same process on the opposite side. Okay, now we went ahead and flipped this over to give you guys a better view of what's going on. You're probably going to do this from underneath, but when you look at this latch, we need to lock that in place with it on the strike. So I've already tightened down on this side. I'm going to show you on this side what we need to do to tighten it down. In our kit, we're going to have also a smaller Torx wrench. We're going to use that to tighten down our hardware. What that does is locks this latch in place because this is adjustable side to side. And then we've also got our rotating mechanism. What we're going to do is see where we want that, make sure that our cords from our latches are going through, and then we're going to tighten that down. We've got a bolt on each side of our rail to tighten. Make sure you also go ahead and tighten down the latch on the opposite side while you're underneath. And then we've got also in our kit an Allen wrench that's going to tighten down the set screws that hold the cables in place. Once those are tightened down, make sure that you can rotate and operate your latch mechanism. then test your operation and make any adjustments necessary. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.